Good morning and welcome to 182 Ponana Street here in South Maui at Keawakapu Views, one of the best neighborhoods in my opinion in South Maui, just before you get to Wailea, and also just up the street from one of the best beaches in South Maui, Keawakapu Beach. Let's go take a look inside and see what this house has to offer. This is the heart of the house. Look at this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Open, so clean. Gas stove. Perfect space for entertaining. So I want to put some emphasis on this space over here. Slider going straight out to the pool, super convenient. Nice big lounging area. You know, you've got your couches, you've got your TV. As you can see, this flows so nicely into the kitchen. You've got beautiful countertops. Love the backsplash, love the cabinets. You got under cabinet lighting, and then of course your gas stove, which is, for me, one of the best features. I love to cook. I love to make a mess in the kitchen, so I've got plenty of counter space, and of course the updated appliances all the way through. So let's go take a look at the rest of the house. You got a